Hey! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Motorola. Begin by opening Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and download your new default apps. I will go with some kind of SMS app. For example, this one. Now you need to wait for your app to download, and when it's ready, go into Settings. In Settings, click on Apps section over here. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Default Apps. Now you need to tap on one of those sections. I want to change my SMS app, so I have to click on this one. Click on SMS Messenger in order to apply it, and then go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!